Getting your friends to pack lighter when you travel. It can be a real problem sometimes when your friend wants to bring the kitchen sink plus 5 pairs of boots and 100 pairs of underwear for a weekend away. Here's some tips I have for you very quickly to help you give you an idea of how you can help manage that. Number one, go through your itinerary with the person before you travel to see what you really need. What are you actually going to do? Because if you're not actually going to go skiing here in Innsbruck, well, then you don't need to bring your skiing gear, right? So that can help out. Another thing you should do is actually go through a packing list. What should you take? What shouldn't you take? There's plenty of them online. We even have some ourselves. Okay. Another thing you can do with them is ask them, why do you need to pack so much? Because sometimes they might be scared. They might think they might need something. Go through it with them. One thing that Jocelyn always does, we travel with friends, she'll go and actually pack with them to help make sure they're not taking too much stuff. Another thing you can do is tell them, lift up your luggage. Because they can't lift up their luggage and put it above on a train or in an airport or an airplane or on a bus or something, then that might stop them from doing it because they can't deal with the luggage because of all this kind of stuff, okay? Now, I do have a long, 15-minute video that really goes into a lot of other ideas to help you out, but I thought I'd give you this little quick one to give you a little help if you had a last-minute thing and trying to get your partner, your cousin, or whatever to not take the kitchen sink when they travel.